18 plus 3 times 3 plus quantity 54 divided by 3 plus negative 68 divided by negative 4. So to answer this, we will follow the rule of PEMDAS. Multiplication and division are same order from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. Since we have parentheses, evaluate natin muna yung nasa loob ng parentheses. Meron tayong division and another division. So pwede nating pagsabayin dahil nakaseparate naman sila with a positive symbol. So copy the rest. So we have 18 plus 3 times 3 plus 54 divided by 3, that is equal to 18. And then we have negative 68 divided by negative 4. So that will be positive 68 divided by 4, that is equal to 17. So evaluate the what is inside the parentheses. So we have 18 plus 3 times 3 and then plus 18 plus 17, that is equal to 35. So evaluate first the multiplication. So we have 18 plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 35. Then we have 18 plus 9. So that is equal to 27 plus 35. So the final answer is 27 plus 35 is 62. Letter A. Follow for more.